we're debating what we're actually eating.
Might be a dog.
Hello from Hanoi!
We made it! We flew with
Vietnam Airlines.
Vietnam Airlines.
Direct flight from Heathrow to Hanoi. It's really good.
And so many backpackers. We've never seen so many, but usually we connect on a lot of flights, so yes. But anyway, we don't want to make it long. We went through security really fast, very easy, very efficient, everything, yeah?
Yep.
They didn't scan our backpacks or anything. They scanned it just for the local people, which is funny.
Yeah. All the backpackers, they just waved through the customs part.
Yeah, which is quite nice.
Yeah, then we went straight away and got SIM cards at the airport. Hang on, I'll hold this.
Yeah.
So we got 2 different SIM cards. We went for Mobifone and
Vietel.
We went with Vietel.
So Vietel was more expensive, but apparently much better in Vietnam. Mobifone not as efficient, but cheaper. The difference was only £3, but we decided we want to try 2 different SIM
different SIM cards.
As we always say we will, but we never do.
No, we
and
always,
this is first time when we bought it at the airport, so we're gonna check it out. So I paid for mine under £10, Dan paid for his under £13.
Yeah, the SIM cards compared to what we've been paying in South America, crazy cheap considering what you get. So as I say, I paid £13, but I get 120 gigabytes for 30 days and 4 high-speed gigabytes daily, and Kasia gets 60 gigabytes.
Yeah,
so
that's mad.
It's so crazy. So yeah, we'll see how good it is. So as you can see, we're at the airport.
Yeah.
So now we didn't sleep much. We're very tired. We slept at Heathrow the night before our flight, and on the flight we didn't sleep much as well, so we're tired. But the great thing we've noticed about Hanoi, I don't know if it's all Southeast Asia, is you can buy a hotel for 3 hours.
Yeah, we found one in town centre, not too far from our
in the old
hotel.
town, which we're going to show you today, the old town.
For like 4 quid.
4 quid, 3 hours. We're exhausted, so
gonna check it out.
We're going to try and go and nap for 3 hours.
Yeah, hope it works, hope we understand this right, so we're going to just turn up.
Because we are so tired. Yeah. But that's so cool that you can book for 3 hours. Yeah. So we're going to try and take advantage of that.
We're going to go... Yeah, so quiet, everyone friendly as well, which is great.
So we're going to go try and find the bus now to town.
So we're supposed to find domestic airport or something to find our bus.
Today we're going to show you around Old Town.
Yeah.
So this vlog is, this is the Old Quarter Hanoi vlog, this one.
Yeah.
So we'll show you around when we get there. So see you there.
See you there.
Bye. Okay, so we arrived.
Oh wait, we're going down.
Oh wait, we just got stuck in the lift. It wouldn't open, like the sleep opens for the 5th floor.
Should we just walk if it does open? Oh no, it's
5th, let's go. Okay, so we got to the hostel. Look at me.
We're both soaked.
Absolutely soaked.
We did walk quite a lot.
Yeah, so we got the bus. It was 9,000 dong each. It's about 36 pence, if less than that. Yeah. So really cheap for an hour bus ride into the town. And then we bought this bottle of water, also 36 pence.
Yeah.
Yeah, so very cheap. So now we're going to shower because we need it, and we're going to sleep because we're only here for 3 hours. This is the Raising Dragon Hotel. It's one of a few that do this 3 hour thing, so perfect.
Yeah.
So let's shower, sleep, and then we'll show you Old Town.
Yeah.
So we are in a different hotel room now. As you can see, have a look at this. This is our hostel for 4 nights.
Yeah, 4 nights. Yes.
Golden Time Hostel on May Street, right in the middle of Old Quarter. So
yeah, great location.
Great location.
It's okay.
It's very cheap.
The beds are lovely.
The beds are very comfortable. They gave us 2. There you go. Very basic. The toilet is downstairs next to reception and shower, which is a bit annoying.
So if we go shower, like people from the street can see us coming out.
Yeah.
But you know, you pay.
How much do we pay for this?
$7.75 a night or something.
$7.75, so it's very cheap. Yeah, so
this is very nice for that price.
For that price, considering what we have been in before.
Yeah.
So we are going to head out onto the town because we're right in the middle of Old Quarter. So we're going to have a walk around. So let's go. So yeah, we are out and about. We are now walking down Old Town. Hey. I think people see the camera and they say hello to us.
And it's so stuffy.
And it's so stuffy. Okay, watch us cross the street and get totally terrified. It's a little bit hectic, yeah?
So overwhelming. I'm a little bit all over the place.
Yeah?
Don't know where to go, where to look. What is
so hectic. But this is Beer Street, so at night this place comes alive. This is like just around the corner from our hostel, so we'll come out here tonight, maybe, or another night. That's the quiet time. So later on it's going to be mad. But I think we should try it later on. So the old quarter is basically like a square kilometre of these very old traditional streets. Very hectic with bikes. And each street, the quite cool thing here is that each street used to be named after a certain craft.
Oh really?
Yeah. So like there would be like down there was a street just for jewellery. I don't know if it was called Jewellery Street, but they all had the names after a certain craft and they all had the same stuff down the street. The crazy thing is, as you can see, the streets are chock-a-block packed if you look here, which means you got to walk on the road. Destined for an accident. We are on Hanoi Street and we've come to one of the oldest houses in Hanoi.
Looks quite cool.
87 Hanoi Street. Should we go in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So this is one of the oldest houses in Hanoi and they've kept it all traditional architecture, the way it used to be back in the day. Look at that. So cool. Little courtyard there.
It's so similar in Beijing, in China, do you know?
Yeah. So basically, it's 5 meters wide at the front. I think it's 6 meters wide at the back, but it's like 28 meters long. So that's how they used to have the houses. Yeah. So they kept it exactly how it was. It's a window or a door?
That's a big bag.
Yeah, very strange, like the step overs, the window door things.
Disabled, not friendly. Disability, not friendly.
Yeah, exactly. And the kitchen.
Is this the kitchen?
This is the kitchen.
Oh yeah. Looks like a pizza oven.
Pizza oven.
It's quite cool. I guess a lot of them they changed that to be like Airbnbs or
who knows?
And stuff as well.
But we can go upstairs. Should we go upstairs?
Yeah.
Like shrines up here. It's the most holy place in the house, and then the living quarters back through there. That's the street outside. This is the living quarters, and then you come out. it does feel weird just walking down the middle of the street like this. How comfortable are you?
I feel like a lost puppy.
Lost puppy.
Like, I don't know where to look, what to do.
Come with me.
My every step is questionable.
Yeah, I guess we just gotta get used to it.
Yeah.
Just walking in the road.
You see the gate.
There's the gate.
So we're outside of Huan Chong. I probably pronounced that wrong. That's why they beeped.
Yeah.
So it's a gate. You wonder why the gate is here. The city used to be surrounded by a fort. So this is one of the remaining gates. Yeah, it's quite cool. I would have loved to see the whole fenced off city, but obviously it's gone now. But...
So yeah, the old quarter, yeah. And this is the only remaining ancient gate they've got here. So it used to be a large wooden gate in the middle, and it used to be very densely populated in the old quarter, like incredibly. I mean, still now, yeah. It's kind of cool. Should we walk through?
Yeah.
We made it.
Sweat. Oh, that's cool, yeah. Funny, yeah.
There's the other side of the gate.
So we just ordered pho. It's like a noodle soup with chicken, and we just ordered some sweet and sour chicken.
And 2 beers.
And 2 beers.
We're sitting in the middle of in the middle of the old port now. These stalls are
so small. I'm a giant. Look, my knees popping out.
Our first experience of Vietnamese food.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah. So we got Saigon beer. It's warm. It's warm. But they do give you ice.
Nice light. That's how they drink it, with ice. Although I see someone there without ice.
It's definitely a thing.
It's like water.
It's like water. There's a whole slot of ice in there. We've got our first dish. Sweet and sour chicken. Let's go bonus. Oh.
Come bite into it. Nice.
Yeah. There's no meat on it.
Try different pieces.
Okay, so we're finishing off our meal, right? As I said, we ordered sweet and sour chicken. This is not chicken.
Surely not. Yeah, so what we try to eat.
We're debating what we're actually eating.
Might be a dog.
It might be dog. I think it might be duck.
We think it's a duck or beef. It's good though.
It's definitely not chicken though.
Good, the bits you can eat is bigger.
Yeah. We're at Beer Street and it's mental, yeah? romantic.
Down there it's crazy busy and more expensive. Up here it's a bit quieter, it's cheaper. Almost twice as cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got a few restaurants across.
Down there.
So we moved on. Like 3 restaurants down, or bars down.
Can you pass me mine? And yours. It's a good try.
So we moved 3 bars down. They were trying to sell beer at 50 and we said, well, down there it's 25. So they said, okay, 25.
We're getting good at this, yeah?
We're getting good at it, yeah.
So we, like you see, we are back. We just came back from the beer street. It was really cool. It was getting like busier,
Apparently
more
it's
drinks.
open to like 5 AM, that place, yeah. So, and that's 7 days a week, so it's crazy.
Yeah. So just a few words about Old Town, Old Quarters, what they call it. Really cool, very busy, but it's really interesting. People here are so friendly as well.
They are so friendly. But yeah, the Old Quarter, great place to just walk around, just aimlessly walk around. You can go for a long time.
Yeah, so
really
just
cool.
Spend the day just doing that. And to eat out, eat the street food, have few beers, and yeah, enjoy. It's great.
Yeah, it was great fun. So yeah, we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.